Hi friends, so today we are going to see how to create the earrings from seashell. So here I have a collection of old earrings. So as I am taking the earrings some broken earring, and so I have already chosen the broken earring from my collection. Here also I am having the seashell collections. From seashore I have collected these seashells. So I am going to choose similar size of shells. So I will choose small shells as I wanted to make it studs. So here I have chosen two similar size of shells. Now we have to stick that shell with the broken earring with some adhesive. So here I am using the heavy stick. So you have to take the precaution because it's very sticky and it can stick you to your skin as well. So you have to drop some adhesive in the seashells at the back and put the earring part inside there and keep it as for 2-3 minutes. Let's wait and now see the earring is ready. So I will make similar earring with another shell. Now both the earrings are ready. So I have also screws which are left of unused earrings. So that screws we can use to tighten our earrings when we put into the air. And our earrings are ready. So these are studs made by seashells. So you can enlarge it adding multiple seashells if you want to make it big. But I prefer small earrings so I can wear it in office or in party or as a casual wear as well. Thanks for watching video.